Hello, hello. This is Jason E at Trading Ascension. I'm about to talk through a trade, and I don't do this often. I'll be honest. I'm not veteran enough to pay attention and to focus on the charts. I like to focus on the chart. I don't like to play around. It takes my undivided attention. Um, got what I oh that kind of got a new high coming here. So the setup I thought was coming is not coming, but we'll let this play for a little bit longer as I just kind of review what did happen. Um, so, somewhat of a range day with some overshoots. Right now, we've hit a low. I got a trend channel drawn up to the top. This is the S&P 500 200 tick chart. And the ticks mean that I am looking at bars of 2,000 transactions in the market. This is a 21 EMA. The proximity to it really matters for my game plan. So you can see the red dots and green dots letting me know how far price action is from the EMA, which again is part of my game plan. I got some heavy resistance right there at that red line. This is my risk reward tool. And slide this in to see this a little bit better. So I'm looking right now at the uptrend, and I'm only going to go long here, right? The trend is our friend. So if I can get something in before the highs and before this resistance here, it's going to be great for me. So now I'm 2 bars away from entering. So this is what could be a setup bar, and then I wait for a signal bar. Preferably this to go lower here, grab some stop losses, right? Dig into that volatility and then shoot back up. So there looks great. However, the EMA is flat, and again, trend is my friend. So it's getting even lower here, but I'm still within the setup. But right now, it's looking like heavy low. So I either got nothing or I'm going to go long because I'm going to stay with this trend here. So if I can, this is the setup bar because I do have a new low, which is resetting the count. I usually count in my head, but you can see I do have a counter for my specific strategy on the screens as an indicator here. So got some lows going up there, forming almost a trap bar, which is awesome for me. So that's the setup bar. If this bar can set up towards north and looks good, then I am going to go long. So I'm going to get my ready here. What's going on? Oh, I think I already had one on the chart. I'm just going to place this up here and zoom in a little bit to make sure I'm accurate. I'm going to use a market order, not a limit order. So I'm going to zoom this in a little bit right here. And felling short, I got my signal bar bouncing off the EMA. I'm going to get in with 200 or less transactions left. And I'm getting in with 15 contracts on the ES here. So that is the top there. And again, I'm going to wait for it to shoot. So nothing there as far as a take long, but it does look like a potential 2-legged pullback long. So I'm still playing here, seeing that bar going down. I would have took that right there younger days, but it's an uptrend. Trend is my friend. You can see right now everyone who tried to go short there is getting trapped. So it's looking good. I'm waiting for this EMA right here. It's green, so I'm waiting for it to tell me that it's okay to go north. And I want to get in. I'm going to pull my risk management tool down here a little bit. I want to get in before that red line or before the highs there, not on a flat EMA. So grab that volatility. Oh, it's shooting up, which is awesome. I'm going to get in 1 tick above the high of that candle, under 200 ticks. I'm in. I got an automatic stop loss. So you can see, when it touched and didn't hit, my stop loss moved up. It just scalped out for $750 after commissions, $630.90. I love the stock market.